braces o
Ice
nagpapasta.
cream.
Burutan. Yung alas 3 lang yun. Hindi, first come first serve. Oo, kahit na. Ayan, atay sira kasi. Huwag mo tatalikod mo yung
Okay. Getting the ice cream.
Kunti lang.
Bakit chocolate?
May ano sa'yo?
May sound din. Kunti lang.
Tama ka na, te.
Okay.
Kadami-dami mo kumain.
Oh.
Tama to. Tama. Tama ka na.
Ice cream good. How about you guys? Have you tried ice cream before? Bro, I'm like digging a cave.
Nag-arke lang ang video, okay? Huh?
Guys, I don't know if you can see this. Like, I'm like digging a cave. I don't know if you see this, guys.
Arke lang sa video, okay. Kaso, walang TV. TV ko ang pinuha.
Diyan. Ay, walang TV?
Oo, 600 daw. Walang TV.
Bakit? 700 yun? Dapat 500 na lang.
Speaker lang daw sa kayong amplifier. Walang kasamang TV.
Ano yun?
Ano yun?
Kanino yun? Kila Antonio?
Hindi. Yung doon sa may likod, sa Murano.
Bakit walang TV? Tapos 600. 600 lang naman ang
Guys,
renta.
look at this. I'm like digging a hole. Fire in the hole.
Bakit yung alam ko yung dapat 500 lang.
Hmm.
Tapos parang interested daw ata yun na upa doon.
Oh.
Guys, can you see it? I'm digging a hole.
Yung sa likod nila, tita.
I don't know if you can see this, guys, but my ice cream is melting. Look at this, guys.
Sa may harap. But ata yung bahay yung harap.
Look, it's bro. Did you see that? That is just falling.
So parang pinakinggan nila yun sa
Look at this one. Look.
Hindi. Yung sa
Oh my god, bro. That almost falled. Okay.
pinaka-main gate
Look
na
at
dun sa may
this
ano
one, this one,
na,
guys. This one.
sa may garahe.
Told you it was moving. My ice cream is.
Kasi ang anuhan ay dun sa may
It's